Hi and welcome to the Jim and Josh show. I'm Jim.
And I'm Josh.
Today Josh and I are in court.
Yes. And all because we didn't pay a parking ticket.
Oh Josh, get down from there.
No. I don't want to. It's fun up here.
Josh, you act like such a child.
Well, we're early and no one else is here, so why can't I be up here?
Because the judge might walk in any minute now and yell at you for sitting in his seat.
Well, until he comes I'm not moving.
Fine. Well Josh, tell the viewers what happened on our way to court today.
Well, as you know, I lost my monkey while in New York. Well, on our way to court today I saw him on the corner of the street. So I ran up to him and grabbed him. I was so happy.
Then he threw his poop at me again.
It was even funnier the second time.
Of course it was. Well, continue your story, Josh.
Okay. Then my monkey hissed at me and tried to bite me, so I dropped him and he ran away again. I was very sad.
And I was very smelly.
Yup. So we had to go back home and let Jim change.
And I swear that